By the end of this video, you will learn how you can use ChatGPT to create a fantastic quiz and an answer key. A quiz is an important part of academics if you are a teacher or educator. Using ChatGPT to create quizzes will make the process easy and efficient. First things first, you'll need to head over to ChatGPT. If you haven't used it before, it's a super smart language model that can understand and generate text. Just create a free account and you're good to go. Now for the magic prompt, in the chat box, you're going to type, "Create a quiz on insert topic with 20 questions." To see this prompt in action, replace the bracketed insert topic area with Canadian geography. You can put in absolutely anything you're interested in: history, science, pop culture, you name it. The more specific you are, the better the quiz will likely be. And just like that, ChatGPT starts generating our quiz. Look at that, 20 questions all about Canadian geography. You'll see a variety of question types, which is great. Now, to make it easy to test yourself or share it with others, we're going to ask ChatGPT to create an answer sheet. In the chat box, simply type, "Please provide the answer key for this quiz." Boom! Here's our answer key neatly laid out. This makes it super simple to check your answers once your students have completed the quiz. This is a fantastic way to learn, test your knowledge, or even create fun quizzes for your students. Just make sure that you double-check the answers with a certified resource to make sure that it is accurate. ChatGPT is a great language model that can help you, but sometimes it can make mistakes. What topics will you be creating quizzes on? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, check out my video about how to create open-ended questions for school students using ChatGPT. I will see you there.